When I insert a large image, for example, this image, there are two ways to zoom in on a specific part of the photo. One, that zoom in by holding down Control and scrolling the mouse. Wherever your mouse is, it zooms in the same location, as you can see. Also, hold the middle mouse button to pan the image and click and drag. The second way is to use this zoom tool and move this slider. Fit to screen for fit image in software display frame. And actual size is also to show the actual size of the image in pixel. The size of image depends on its pixels. In this section, we can change dimensions of the image and its quality. In the unit section, you can specify the dimension of the image based on pixel, inches, centimeter, or percent. In the width and height field, you can enter dimension you want. For example, I set it to percent, and we want to make image 50% smaller. In the advanced section, you can set the quality or resolution of the image based on DPI, dot per inches. Simply, the higher number, the higher image quality, causes the higher image quality. On the other hand, the size of the image increases. Use resampling mode. Each pixel, when you change the size of the image, each pixels will be recalculated and a new pixel will be added to the image, which may increase the size of the image, but it does not reduce the quality of the photo too much. If disabled, removes extra or unnecessary pixels from the image and reduces the size of the image. Click the apply button for any changes you have made. Note that these changes do not apply to the original image. The original image is safe. And finally, to save this image that you change, simply going to share and then file and save your own hard drive.